Hello everyone, welcome back to my blog, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Espinel Vlog. For today's vlog, we have swan up here down the lake. The bunch of swan down the lake with the fountain here. Is beautiful day, is a lot of swan down here. It's beautiful day. Thank you everyone, God bless, and shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello to you all. If you're new to my YouTube channel, you haven't liked, share, and subscribe, please don't forget to pull the notification bell, hit all, and watch all the video until the end. Trying to hide against the sunshine. It's so sunny, very sunny. It's beautiful day, gorgeous day. It is Monday afternoon. It's August. No, sorry, it's not August anymore. It's September the 9th or 8th. I'm not sure what date for today. I think it's the 8th. So, thank you for watching everyone. It's September 8th, 2025. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. It's a beautiful day. God bless. And it's me again, Miss Pinay Vlog. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. It's me again, Miss Pinay Vlog. So it's a gorgeous day, beautiful day. It's a lot of sunshine. It's lovely day down here down the lake with a lot of geese and swan, and we have swan food over here. So beautiful and lovely day. Swan food right here. Beautiful day and lovely day. And then the plane up in the sky. So we have the plane up in the sky, lovely day. And thank you for watching. God bless you all. So long everyone. Enjoy. Please like and share and subscribe my YouTube channel. It's me again, Espinel Vlog. And beautiful day. We're here in Doleni Cemetery. So it's beautiful day. So lovely day and gorgeous day. So make a like, shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello everyone. Please like and share, subscribe my YouTube channel, and help me to subscribe my YouTube channel by liking and share. And God bless everyone. And shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Make a like, shout out to you all. And thank you for watching. God bless you all. So long, and see you again soon for the next vlog.